Hello, this is Tom. Today let's take a look at this Parker 75 fountain pen. Let's first compare the size with the three popular pens: Pilot Custom 74, Platinum 3776, and this is Lamy 2000. We can see this pen is a little smaller, a little shorter, and a little thinner. Okay, this pen, three modern pens. This one, we can think this is a vintage pen, but not that vintage. Okay, let's take a closer look at this pen. This is a very classic pen, 75, and so it has this very beautiful lacquer. So it's made of metal, and then they paint this lacquer, and it has some pattern, very beautiful pattern. And we can see here Parker, France, and this is the end, and this is the end of the cap, and this is a clip, a nice clip. And this is the nib. So, okay, so this nib I think is medium, but because there's some ink here, so I cannot see the size of this nib, but I guess it's a medium. So there are many variations, many different patterns of this 75. They have there are different kinds of nibs, although they have the same shape. Just the print are different. Okay, so this one the print is very small. Actually, I cannot see. It should be a gold nib. Okay. And let's take a look at this barrel, and I just use a cartridge of this pen, and this is a nice cartridge, actually, very solid made. And this part is plastic. For many pens, actually, today's nice pens, this part would be made of metal, but this one is plastic. Okay, so this is a nice pen. I feel good when I hold this pen. Although I think because this part, this section is made of plastic, this part is is heavier, but it's fine because it's not very long, so I still feel good when I hold this pen. So let's have some writing samples. This is Parker. '75 fountain pen, and nib should be medium, and this is the ink is Pax black ink. So this ink also has, and this nib has some flexibility, I think. So no force. Some force. We can see some variation, not too much, but some. And this is no force and some force. So it also has some flexibility. And let's write some more. Write a proverb. So a rolling stone gathers no moss. Yes. And actually, I have some pens. I didn't use them much, and they gather some dried ink. Okay, so a writing pen gathers no dried ink. Yes, so that means we need to use our pens more. But today's ink, I think they're water based, so that's fine. Usually, if I'd like to reuse the pen, I just put the nib into the water, then it can write again. That's a good thing. Okay, but yeah, but we need to ideally, if we don't want to use a pen in some time, and we'd better to just wash the pen to get rid of all of the ink, and then we can put the pen aside safely, and that pen will not gather dried ink. Okay, so this is for today's video for this Parker, nice Parker 75, a nice one. Actually, yeah, I also didn't use this one very much. Actually, I have several Parker 75, but I didn't use them much. I don't know why. They are good writers. They're good writers. Just okay, I don't know why. Usually I use these two pens and also some other pens, but yeah, this is a nice one. Maybe I will use this pen more later. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.